Well, good day everybody. I'm gonna give you a quick update on the RV rebuild. But first, Ollie S, thank you very much for your continued support of the channel and helping out the rebuild and keeping the videos coming. Thank you so much, Ollie S. We got 3 videos started with this RV. 2 are rebuild videos and 1 is fixing the leak on the transmission. Thankfully that was not as big of a job as I thought. It was just leaking from the transmission speedometer seal. So I got a seal kit for that, and I will replace that at some point, but I can do that in the rain today. It started sprinkling a little bit just a second ago, so I might not be able to finish the side skirts today, but those are started. Pieces are cut. Just need to install the framework and get the sheets cut for that. Started wire wheeling the spots where I want to weld when it started raining. So that got cut short, so I moved to the interior, and that's insulated all the way up to the cab. I still need to insulate the cab area with that mat, insulation mat, automotive insulation floor mat, whatever it's called. But that's looking real nice in there now too. It's real cozy feeling, a lot warmer. Made a huge difference keeping the heat in there, and it even took some of the echo away. So yeah, it's feeling starting to feel kind of cozy. Real happy with the way that's turning out. So if the rain holds off, I'll bring the welder out. We'll get these side skirts finished. Then I'll go back inside, get the insulation finished. And once that's finished, I'm going to do a diesel heater install, as well as installing a heater cooler. But I want to get that insulation in first. I've also taken all the measurements I need to frame out the upper floor, or the main floor. I'm going to do 4 sections. When I get the far back corner section made, the driver's side back, I can start with building up the shower, the toilet. Actually, maybe I'll floor the whole driver's side, and then I can do shower, toilet, kitchen area, leaving the passenger side open so I can reach under and do plumbing and stuff like that. But before that, I'm going to get those tanks put in. I got some supplies I need to get for all that. I need a bunch of plumbing strap to strap them down. But things are moving along nicely. I like it. I like momentum. And we'll have a couple rebuilds ready for you here at some point. I think the weather is nice enough today. I'm going to go ahead and start welding on these. So we're kind of going back and forth between rebuild videos. So it might be a little slow for the next couple to come up, but things are getting done. And things are looking good. So thank you everybody for your support. Members, VIP members, commenters, super thankers, people who like and subscribe. Thank you all so very much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.